Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all winter liquid diet plan to help you lose 2 kgs in one day very easily. Now how can you lose 2 kgs in one day with this diet plan, as this diet plan will reduce all the water retention, bloating from your body very quickly in just a single day. Recently, my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see great transformations happening, and so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on this number, and we can start your weight loss journey with me and see a great transformation happening in just few months. So without any delay, let's get started with winter liquid diet plan to help you lose 2 kgs in one day super effectively. Starting our day with early morning drink, which will be ginger turmeric tea. In winters, ginger and turmeric is very readily available, so you can always use fresh ginger and turmeric. And here is the complete recipe of it. In a pan, I'm adding here approximately 1.5 glasses of water. To this, I'm adding here haldi. Now this is fresh amba haldi, or you can even call it green haldi, which is the purest form of haldi available in the market. All you have to do is simply grate it and use it. Now this fresh haldi is 100 times much better than the powder haldi that you get in the market. Along with that, I'm adding here ginger, very important for anti-inflammation. And the same point, I'll be adding here 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, that is saunf. Now why saunf? It is great when it comes to your acidity levels, and at the same point regulates the pH levels in your body. Let it simmer for approximately 2 minutes and your ginger turmeric tea is ready for early morning drink. Have it sip by sip and enjoy it. Second option for your early morning drink is clove tea, that is long tea, and it is super easy to make. In the morning itself, all you have to do is simply boil 1.5 cups of water. To this, add approximately 1 spoon of long. Let it simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes and have it sip by sip empty stomach. Benefits of clove tea. The first is it is antioxidant rich and hence it improves the immune system to a great extent, improves digestion, and also great for metabolism boosting properties as well. And now let's proceed towards our breakfast options. The first option is gonna be overnight soaked oats with some chia seeds and top it up with some fruits. The complete recipe of overnight oats is already up on my channel and you can go and check it out. Oats as breakfast help to lower blood sugar levels and also cholesterol levels in the system. It helps in protection of against any kind of constipation, and also any kind of skin diseases are avoided with oats. So make sure to at least add 1 cup of oats in your diet every single day. Now let's proceed towards our second option for breakfast, which will be you can have 1 or 2 bananas with warm glass of milk, preferred almond milk or low fat skim milk. In place of banana, you can always use any fruit of your own choice as well. And please do not add any kind of sugar to your milk. You can always season it with some cinnamon powder, some elaichi powder, but no sugar at all. And now proceeding towards our mid-morning snack, which can be the first option is 1 glass of coconut water if it's available to you fresh. Do not use the packaged or packed one. And the second option is 1 cup of matcha tea if you want a great weight loss happening. And the detoxification process is very quick with matcha tea. 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. The antioxidant level in 1 cup of matcha tea is amazing, and at the same time helps in reducing your weight and detoxifying the system very quickly. You can buy detox matcha tea from my brand at the link given in the description box below. It is readily available online and you can buy it very easily. And now let's proceed towards our lunch option. And as usual, 1 hour before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. 1 glass of lukewarm water, add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, mix it well and have it 1 hour before your lunch. Helps to lower your blood sugar levels and lowers your cholesterol, boosts metabolism for weight loss and improves digestion as well. Now let's check out our lunch options for winter liquid diet plan. The first option is gonna be you can have 50 to 70 grams of paneer bhurji. Along with that, you can have salad for lunch. But make sure to have limited portion of paneer bhurji. Now this particular lunch option is to give you all the protein content of the day. So make sure to have only 50 to 70 grams of paneer and not more than that. Recipe for my paneer bhurji is already up on my channel. Here is a complete recipe that you can go and check it out. If you cannot have this, then you can always have fruit bowl with added curd or yogurt to it. You can choose any fruit seasonally available of your own choice. I like to add anar, pineapple, papaya, whatever you basically like to add, you can add to your fruit bowl and have it along with curd or yogurt. Good amount of probiotics and also a great source of calcium intake. So make sure to have this for your lunch to give you good weight loss results for the liquid diet plan. Now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack, which can be 1 cup of tea or coffee if you're a tea or coffee lover. Along with that, you can have 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts. If you cannot have tea or coffee, then you can always have 1 cup of green tea or matcha tea, or you can have ajwain or jeera water if you don't like to have any kind of tea or coffee. Along with that, you can have 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts. Relieves you from any kind of hunger pangs of the day and also keeps you fuller till the dinner time. Now let's proceed towards our dinner option for liquid diet plan. First option is I always prefer my clients to go salt free when it comes to your great weight loss journey for dinner. So please have either 1 cup of or 1 full bowl of papaya or pineapple if you want a very speedy weight loss. And the second option is if you're an vegetarian, then you can always have 2 egg white salad. Or the third option for winter liquid diet plan dinner is you can have lemon coriander soup. Now the recipe for my lemon coriander soup is here. A pinch of or half a teaspoon of oil, and I'm using here olive oil, you can use any oil. In this I'll be adding chopped green chilies and ginger. Just saute it for 2 seconds, and then in this I'll be adding chopped broccoli. 1 cup broccoli is enough. You can just stir fry it for at least 2 minutes, and then I'll be adding here 1 cup of corns and 1 cup of carrots. Saute it all for 2 minutes and then add salt according to taste and then black pepper powder. You can also use roasted jeera powder to this. Mix it all well and stir fry it for 2 minutes again. And then to this I'll be adding freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now coriander gives a very amazing flavor to this soup, and you do not need to add any kind of corn flour to this to prepare the slurry. Mix it all well, saute it for 2 minutes, and then I'll be adding 2 cups of water to this. Let it boil for at least 5 to 6 minutes. You can even close the lid and let it simmer for at least 2 minutes. And then we'll be adding approximately 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to this. Mix it all well and your lemon coriander soup is ready to serve. It's super delicious, super easy. The complete recipe is shown here. You can follow it and enjoy your delicious lemon coriander soup. Tastes amazing and is a very winter ready soup option for your dinner. And now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink, which is my favorite time of the day because this particular tea helps to relieve all the stress of the entire day and also to give you good metabolism boosting results. My favorite, 1 cup of chamomile tea. You can always buy chamomile tea online. The link is given in the description box below. I personally sourced this chamomile tea from Himalayan farms and its amazing benefits will shock you. Its stress reliever properties and at the same time boosts metabolism, gives you calming sleep for the entire night, and also you wake up very fresh in the morning. To buy this, the link is given in the description box below. You can go and buy it online very easily. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to give you good hydration properties and at the same time to make your body toxin free as well. With this winter liquid diet plan, you'll be able to lose 2 kgs in one day very easily if the plan is followed A to Z without any cheats or without any fuss. And for your personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number. And we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena and begin the journey. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss diet plans, tips and tricks, recipes for weight loss, and lots of healthy weight loss drinks as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.